Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up RENKFORCE AC1200 dual band wireless repeater using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, plug the RENKFORCE AC1200 repeater into a wall outlet near your main router. Turn the device on if it has a power switch. Wait approximately 2 minutes for the device to boot completely. Verify that the power LED becomes stable. Locate the WPS button on the repeater. Press and hold the WPS button for approximately 6 seconds. Release the button. The WPS LED should begin flashing rapidly, indicating that the repeater is searching for a WPS connection. Within 2 minutes of pressing the repeater's WPS button, locate the WPS button on your router. Press the router's WPS button. The router and repeater will automatically exchange configuration information. During this process, the WPS LED may continue blinking. Allow several minutes for the connection process to finish. When successful, the WPS LED stops flashing. Wi-Fi signal LEDs illuminate. Signal LEDs indicate the connection strength between the repeater and router. At least 2 signal LEDs should be lit for reliable performance. The connection process may take 1 to 3 minutes. During this time, LEDs may blink multiple times. The extender synchronizes with the router. Successful setup signs you may notice: signal LED becomes solid, WPS LED stops blinking. Extended Wi-Fi network appears. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.